And here is how you can start your first broadcast in 6 steps. From your left menu, you want to choose Media. And after Media, you want to choose Web Broadcaster. After Web Broadcaster, you want to choose the microphone that you want to use with your broadcast. And then you want to hit the Go Live button. It is connecting, calling people, and it is broadcasting. So I'm live now. I'm broadcasting. What I'm saying is on the toll-free number. Anybody would call in would hear me talking. If anybody was on my notification list, they received the phone call, and they're listening to me talk at this point in time. It's that simple to start your broadcast. Now, when you go live, you may get prompt to give approval for using your microphone because of security settings on your system. So you'd have to give that approval. Then when you're all done with your broadcast, hang up. Your live broadcast is done. Start your account today at PhoneLiveStreaming.com.